Meats, cheeses, fruits, vegetables, even oysters across the country. Your favorite local places are delivering high-quality, delicious ingredients to help home cooks and professional chefs alike experiment with flavor, and we're going to help tell their stories. Welcome to the Local Focus. In this episode, we traveled to Brownie Beef in Spangle, Washington, a ranch focused on delivering the best grass-fed beef to their community.
So my cowboy and I have lived here for 16 years, and he is a carpenter by trade, and I was a school teacher. We've always had the cattle and our horses, and 4 years ago, the universe gifted us a baby, River. So Brownie Beef came to be, and we began marketing our beef direct from our ranch to table. And now we're in a position where we're selling to consumers, and we're in the restaurant, and hoping to continue to build that.
So approximately how much cattle do you have here?
Well, we have about 150 mama cows that calve out every year, and then we keep our feeder stock, and we also have our longhorns. So I'd say total head with cows, calves, and our feeder stock, about 300 head.
So Frankie, why are you choosing to do grass-fed?
Well, really the reason is because it's what's best for the animal, and I feel like by doing that we're able to help with the environment with our grazing practices, and the end product is something that's clean and pure that all of our customers can consume. Even people with major health issues who can't eat beef can eat our meat because it's not fed anything but grass and hay. Our desire is to market everything direct from our ranch to table locally, so we don't have to load anything up and haul it off to be part of commodity beef. And that lessens people's global footprint as well as ours. And so I feel like by eating Brownie Beef and supporting us, you are making a difference on a global level. Through our practices of mindfully pasturing the land, like we don't spray for any weeds because of when we turn out our cattle. We're able to manage all of that through our practices. We don't overgraze land because we want it to be, the environment is as important to us as our livestock is. So that's what pasture is, and then when we bring them home, then they're on hay, alfalfa and grass hay for the winter. So Brownie Beef, we're getting up to par with our brand new website at browningbeef.com. And then we're also on Facebook, Brownie Beef LLC, and then Instagram with Brownie Beef Spokane.
Cool. Well, Frankie, thank you so much for having us. Go ahead and check them out at Browning Beef Spokane on all socials.